Go on, the river is waiting for you.
We're going now! That boat! It's so fast! Where is it going? Mother, look! I think I know where the boats came from. What is it, Hannah? Come in! Grandma, look! They went all the way down the stream and they came back to me!
Just like your father used to do.
Here we go! It's morning! Yay! Let's go, everyone! To the sea! We go over the mountain, past the lake, and the hidden grove is right here.
That sounds wonderful. Here, take this lunch for the journey.